MakingAScene.org presents the Indie Artist Flywheel. For most independent musicians, the career cycle is exhausting. You release a song, play a show, promote it online, sell a couple of shirts, and then you start all over again from zero for the next project. This chart shows how independent careers are usually built, as disconnected events. We treat every release like a brand new mountain, rather than a continuous system. Pouring energy into algorithmic platforms creates a leaky bucket. Rented attention means your audience disappears before you capture it. The shift from this cycle requires a change in focus, moving away from temporary platform views and toward building permanent, owned relationships. This diagram maps out a better alternative, the Indie Artist Flywheel. It's a closed-loop business architecture where every action makes your next action easier. Discovery feeds the show. The show generates data. The data creates revenue, and revenue funds the next cycle of discovery. External platforms like Spotify, TikTok, and Instagram still absolutely matter, but they shouldn't be the final destination. They are strictly just the front door to your own world. By funneling all that discovered attention straight into a centralized headquarters, your own website, you build leverage. You create a career that is insulated from the next sudden shift in a platform's algorithm. The strongest place to start this flywheel is the live show. A digital stream is passive, but a fan at a gig has taken real physical action. They left their house, bought a ticket, and gave you their full attention. You capture that energy right at the merch table. Instead of a generic link tree that scatters their attention, you give them a single specific QR code. That code takes them to one clear landing page, making one simple offer. Give us your email and we'll give you something unique from tonight, like an exclusive live recording of the set they just watched. This enters them into your fan passport, the central database that records the memory of how this specific person supports your music over time. By tracking who attended 3 shows or who usually buys vinyl, you can organize your audience. You stop treating fans like rows on a spreadsheet and start interacting with them contextually based on what they actually care about. That precise data capture strategy takes the fleeting emotional high of a Friday night gig and turns it into a permanent, actionable business asset. Once you have that fan passport data, you can activate your revenue stack. This is where multiple overlapping income streams start to power each other. Merchandise stops being standard inventory. A limited city poster or a signed set list becomes physical proof of a memory, tied directly to that specific night on tour. Ticketing transforms from a simple admission process into a vital source of geographic intelligence. You learn exactly where your buyers are driving from and what promotional channels got them to the venue. This intelligence allows you to approach local businesses with proof of a loyal audience. A neighborhood brewery or guitar shop pays for access to a trusted community, turning a local partnership into a funded marketing channel. This bar chart breaks down the exact components of a healthy revenue stack. Possessing localized intelligence allows you to generate compounding financial benefits. You can push direct music sales, offer exclusive monthly fan memberships, and route your next tour strictly through the zip codes where you already know you have buyers. To manage all this without a massive team, artificial intelligence serves as your back office. You can use it to rapidly process this fan data, find patterns, and determine exactly which campaigns or ticket offers are turning a profit. Activating these diverse, data-driven revenue streams gives you a predictable, scalable microeconomy. You no longer have to rely on the lottery ticket of viral fame. This graphic shows the ultimate scaling strategy, taking individual artist flywheels and linking them together to form an artist-owned cooperative. While each artist keeps their own fan lists and masters, the cooperative allows them to share field intelligence. They pool knowledge on which venues treat artists well, which local media outlets actually respond, and which sponsors are worth a pitch. This shared infrastructure can support a scene membership pass, where fans pay one fee to support a regional movement. It creates a path for fans of one band to easily discover 3 others, aggregating small, loyal audiences into a significant regional force. By sharing these logistical burdens and audience insights, isolated, competing musicians become part of a thriving, unified local economy. We have to dismantle the industry myth that a valid music career requires major label backing, arena tours, or millions of monthly streams. This funnel breaks down the highly realistic mathematics of a sustainable independent career. If you draw 100 people to a show and your system converts 50 of them to an email list, secures 20 merch sales, and adds 5 memberships, that is a working business. These practical, achievable metrics, combined with total system ownership, form the exact foundation of the new music middle class. Long-term survival in music no longer goes to the artists who simply post the most content. It belongs strictly to those who build self-feeding systems that turn momentum into reliable income. For more strategies on building the new music industry, check out the other resources available at makingascene.org.